नमस्कार. तुम्ही आज पहिला असताले आम्ही गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट आहोत Pratima Coutinho. I am come along with my team on today's day, that is on the 7th of August. I treat this day as a very auspicious day for the All India Mahila Congress. And you all must have seen the symbol, the logo which I put, because we have completed 2 years today. I don't words we complete karta that we got our own identity or logo of All India Mahila Congress, and which was inaugurated by our leader Rahul Gandhi ji and our national president Madam Sushmita ji. So I thought of doing something on today's day, and since it's COVID-19 time and the cases have increased in Goa and a lot of cases are coming, a lot of deaths are happening, I said why not come all the way to Ponda from Margaon. Why not come all the way to Ponda and meet the PI of Ponda police station? Why not meet the PSI? बाब मडकयकर तो PI असा, बाब PSI पिंगे बाब असा, तशेंच तांचे कॉन्स्टेबल सगल्यांनी आयज हांव हांगा कित्याक मेळपाक आयला. आय कम टू से अ बिग थँक यू टू देम, अ जेस्चर from Mahila Congress, because if you go to see when the lockdown began in the month of March and all the people were locked inside their houses, these are the police guys who were our warriors. They were the ones who risked their life, battled their life. They also have families, they have wives, तांकाय बायल्यो आसा, तांकाय भुरगीं आसा, तांकाय आवय बापूय आसा, बट तेणी रिस्क करून आमकां लागून रस्त्यार रावले, आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करपा खातीर रस्त्यार रावले. आनी ही दीस इज वन पुलीस स्टेशन, मॅक्झिमम 38 केसीस पुलिसांक न्ही, कॉन्स्टेबलांक न्ही कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह म्हूण मेळ्ळे. द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पुलीस टुडे in Goa, not only Ponda police station, I have heard that even Old Goa police station, Madgaon police station, then Kolwa police station, then say Panjim police station, कितले तरी कडेन मेळ्ळ्या. But heads off to Ponda police station. Really the people of Ponda are lucky, because 38 cases मेळून हेंगे डिटेक्ट जावन हे हॉस्पिटलान गेले, तांचे ट्रिटमेंट जालें, आनी सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आयज 35 जाणां रिकवर जाल्ले आसा. आनी तितूंतले आयज गर्व दिसता सांगपाक. आय फील प्राउड टू टेल that these people, after being positive, after getting the treatment, and you all know how many cases, how people are dying, they've risked their lives, but still after getting the treatment and after getting tested negative, after quarantining, they have come today and they are serving again the Ponda police station.